Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'll be showing you how to connect your Shopify store to your TikTok account. So first of all, I'm gonna be heading over to TikTok over here, and what we're gonna be doing is first I'm gonna show you how to create your TikTok account for your Shopify store. So let's start off with creating an account. Let's make sure to use our emails because we do not want to use our phones for lots of transactions. It's gonna be getting so annoying, you know. And here we go. Let's just skip through these entire process, and here we are. I have named it Lags and Rags, and this is my TikTok page. And to make sure to have the most community interaction, let's have the proper picture for TikTok. Let's just go with hoodie because that's what I plan to sell for this Shopify store. So I'm just gonna pick one of the pictures over here, this hoodie. But don't do what I'm doing here because I'm just taking a pictures off of Google, picture of a clothing that I do not even own, just for the sake of showing some example. If you have your own store, then you should use your own product as a picture there, or something else that's much better than this. And now, in order to connect your Shopify store, all you need to do is just head over to your bio, and all we need to do now is just put here the link to our store website, and people would know that, hey, this is the website for the store. Now all that's left for you to do is just make sure to advertise your store as much as I can, make some TikTok videos, do some of the trends, and your store could gain lots of popularity and you'll sell more. But that is how you put your Shopify store on your TikTok account, and as well as create a TikTok account for your Shopify store. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. And this is Generation Unravel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.